Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are well. I am your maths teacher from Ismailia Youth Services School. Before starting teaching, I have some instructions for you. Take care of time for attending the class. Home tasks should be done in your fair copy of the subject. If there is any disconnectivity during the teaching, try to join again within 5 to 10 minutes. Follow the teacher instruction while completing the home task. Class 3, subject Maths, chapter number 11, and the name is Time, exercise 11.1 to 11.8, page number 106 to 119. Lesson number 1. Topic of the day. Change into minutes. Change into hour and minutes. Change into seconds. Change into minutes and second. Solve addition and subtraction questions. Now look at the clock face. The topic is time. In our previous classes, we have learned about telling the time since in the clock and watch time is usually measured in hours and minutes. Let us look at the clock face. Here is again just to have a review of the clock faces. The dial of the clock is first divided into two big divisions. Each division is denoted by a thick mark called is hour hand. Big thick small hand is called the hour hand. On these hour marks 1 to 12 are written in ascending order like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The mark of the numbers are right into the ascending order from 1 to 12. Between any two consecutive numbers, there are 5 small division mark which stand for minutes. Between these two numbers, 12 to 1, here is at the center of these two numbers are marked the minutes. Here are 5 minutes between 1:12 to 1 hour. Thus, there are 5 small division which stand for minutes. There are altogether 12 hours, and each number is showing a 5 small subdivision. It means we say 60 small division mark are here on the clock face, around the clock face. Now suppose both hour hand and minute hands are at the top of the clock face in the first one clock. See here, both the hands are present on the 12 mark as shown in the left side hand clock. When they start moving and the minute hand goes round the clock face and reach 12 mark again, by this the hour hand. The minute hand is moved around the clock face at the 12, started from 12 to 1. That is 12 to 1 shown in the right side clock, while our hand move 1 hour to the minute hand, move to the 60 minutes. We can say this minute second hand move around the clock in 1 minute. There are 60 minutes in 1 hour. That's why we say there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. The second hand move round the clock face every minute. There are, we can say, 60 seconds in 1 minute. Whenever the 1 minute is completed, the second hand move around the clock, it's cover the 60 seconds. That's why we say here 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Whenever our needle is moved from 12 to 1 means it is completed 60 seconds. And 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. It means whenever the minute hand is moved around the clock, it means it has how many seconds? 60 seconds. Hour is the H, this small s is the short form for the hour. MIN, minute, it is the short form for the minute. And small s is the short form for second. Now move to the exercise 11.1, page number 106. Now remember, into the previous slide we already learned that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Now move towards the question exercise A from the same page. Change these into minutes. Question number 1. The values given you have into hour and minutes, but the question asks to you change these into minutes only. So we change only the hour into the minutes and it is already present into the minutes. 20 minutes is still present here and this hour is converted into the minutes. We remember that 1 hour is equal to 60 seconds. It means 1 multiplied by 60 minutes. This 1 hour is converted into minutes and 20 minutes stay here same. Now we convert these minutes into, whenever we multiply 60, 1 times 60 is 60 minutes plus 20 minutes, means we convert this hour into the minutes. It is equal to 60 minutes plus 20 minutes is equal to total 80 minutes are here. It means 1 hour and 20 minutes is equal to 80 minutes. Now move to the next question. Question number 2 from the same exercise. Here is again the values given into the hour and minutes. Now see the solution. We remember here 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. That's why here again 1 hour. So we multiply 1 hour to 60 minutes plus the value is given into the question is 40 minutes. So it is same here because it is less than 60. So these are the minutes. Now convert this hour into the minutes, means we multiply 1 multiplied by 60 minutes is equal to 60 minutes plus 40 minutes. This hour is converted into minutes is equal to 60 minutes. 60 minutes plus 40 minutes is equal to 100 minutes. Means we can say 1 hour and 40 minutes is equal to 100 minutes because the question asks us change these into only the minutes. So we convert hour into the minutes and already these minutes are added into the 60 minutes. It's become 100 minutes. Now from the same exercise, question number 6. The question is given where the values are given into 2 hours and 30 minutes. See the solution. Into the previous slide, we see here a 1 hour, but here is a 2 hours. So 2 hours means 2 multiplied by 60. Why we are multiplying by 60? We remember in the previous slide, 1 hour having a 60 minutes. So hour convert into the minute. That's why we multiply here by 60. And 30 minutes stay here at the same because it is less than 60. Now move here. 62 times 60 is 120, means 2 hour having how many minutes? 120 minutes plus these 30 minutes. It is present now, it is showing the minutes and it is already into the minutes. Now we added both the values of the minutes is equal to 150 minutes. Now we can say 2 hour and 30 minutes is equal to 150 minutes. Move towards the next question from the same exercise, question number 7. The question values are given into 2 hours and 22 minutes. In previous, we learned that 2 hours convert into the minutes. We multiply by 2 multiply by 60. Same we do here. 2 hours means we multiply by 2 and 1 hour having 60 minutes. So we multiply by 60. 2 times 60 is 120 and these are present only into the minutes. so it is become as same as here, and we added both the values are become into the minutes, their units are same. Now added these 120 plus 22 minutes is equal to 142 minutes. So we can say 2 hour and 20 minutes is equal to how many minutes? 142 minutes. Now exercise number B, change these in hour and minutes. It means we change our values in both hour and minutes. Now move to the question number 1. 75 minutes. The values are given only with the unit of minutes. Now break up this 75 into 60 minutes plus 15 minutes. Break up this 75 minutes. It has how many 60s? Only the 160. So 1 minute is become equal, 60 minutes are become 1 hour plus how many are remain here? 15 minutes. 60 minutes plus 15 minutes is equal to 75 minutes. 60 minutes, now we change this 60 minutes into hour and minutes are stay as same. This 60 minutes are convert into 1 hour and here is remain 15 minutes. The question asks us convert into hour and minutes. So we convert this 75 minutes into 1 hour and 15 minutes. Now move to the next question number 2 from the same exercise for your practicing. I am revise next question for your practice. 95 minutes. 95 minutes, see the solution. 95 having how many 60? Only the 160 is here. It means remaining minutes are 35, means 60 minutes plus 35 minutes is equal to 95 minutes, and this 95 minutes is break up into 60 minutes plus 35 minutes. And we remember here 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. That's why this 60 minutes is convert into the hour. Only the 160 means 1 hour and 35 minutes stay here the same because it is less than 60. So 95 minutes is equal to 1 hour and 35 minutes. Now move to the question number 3 from the same exercise for your practicing. I am revise again a one example for you. Here is 80 minutes. Now see the solution. Break off of the 80 minutes is into 60 minutes plus 20 minutes. 60 minutes, because why we are choose here the 60 minutes? Because 1 hour having a 60 minutes, we convert these minutes into the hour and 20 minutes stay same here. It means 80 minutes is equal to 1 hour and 20 minutes. The question asks us convert this 80 minutes convert into hour and minutes. So we convert this into 60 minutes equal to 1 hour and 20 minutes. Now move to the question number 4 from the same exercise. 69 minutes. See the solution. The breakup of the 69 is into how many 60s in 69? Here is only a 160 is present in 69 plus 9 minutes. 60 minutes plus 9 minutes means 69 minutes. This 60 minutes is converted into the hour. 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour plus 9 minutes. 69 minutes having how many hour and how many minutes? 1 hour and 9 minutes. Now see exercise 11.1, page number 106, question number C. Change these into seconds. Now remember again, revise it your memory. 1 minute having 60 seconds. On the clock face into the previous slide, we already learned that 1 minute having 60 seconds. Move to the question. Question number 1. Question number C asks us change these into second. It means we convert these value into the second. The question is given us the values are given here 2 minutes. The whole value is given into the minutes. Now see the solution. 2 multiplied by 1 minute means here how many minutes are here? 2. And we multiply because the change question into the second into means 1 multiplied by 1 minute, or 1 minute having how many second? 60 second. 2 minutes is showing means we multiply 60 second by 2. 2 times 60 is equal to 120 second. Now I am repeating again. The value is given only into the minutes. See the solution. How many minutes are here? 2 minutes. And the 2 minutes multiplied by 1. 1 minute means how many second? 1 minute having 60 second. 1 minute having 60 second. That's why we here multiply by 60. 2 times 60 is equal to 120 second. This small s is showing the symbol of short form of the second, and min minute is the short form of minutes. Now move to the next question. 1 minute and 50 second. See the solution. 1 minute means how many seconds? 60 second. That's why 1 multiplied by 60 second plus 50 second is less than to the 60. So it stays same here, 50 second. 1 multiplied by 60 second means 1 times 60 is 60 second plus 50 second. The whole value is changed into the second. 60 plus 50 is equal to 110 second. It means we say 1 minute and 50 second is equal to 110 second. And here is 2 minutes is equal to 120 second. Now move to the next exercise. Question number D. Change these into minutes and second. Now the a question give a task, convert into minutes and second. See the question number 1. 80 second. The task is given, the values are given us only into the second. Now convert these second into minutes and second. In previous slide we learned that 1 minute having 60 seconds. So break up of this second, 80 seconds into 60 seconds plus 20 seconds is equal to 80 seconds. And this 60 seconds is changed into minute. 60 second is equal to 1 minute plus 20 second. So we change our 80 seconds into minutes and second. 80 second is equal to 1 minute and 20 seconds. Move to the next question from the same exercise. The values given 135 second and convert these second into minutes and second. Now look at here. You have in 135 how many 60s are here? It means there is a 2 60s are present. So 260 means 120 seconds plus 15 seconds. We added them, it is become 135. So we can say 120 seconds is equal to 2 minutes. 1 minute having 60 seconds, 2 minutes having 120 seconds. So it is showing 2 minutes plus 15 seconds. It means 35 seconds is equal to 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Now look in your book and exercise number 11.2 addition. See the example number 1. Here the addition of the hours and minutes. Now first of all we start our addition from the minutes. 5 plus 0 is 5. Look at here. 5 plus, see the solution. 5 plus 0 is 5. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 55 minutes, it is less than 60, so there is no conversion into the hour. It stay here the same. Now move to the hour. 5 plus 8 equal to 13, means 13 hour and 55 minutes. There is a no change is become into the minutes because 55 minute is less than to the 60, so it stay here the same. Now move to the next example number 2. The question is this: 45 second plus 28 second. So first we start our addition from the second. 45 second plus 28 second is equal to 73 second, and 73 second is showing more than 60. The value is become, after the addition, is become more than 60, or 60 second is equal to 1 minute. So 60, we break up this 73 second into 60 second plus 13 second, and this 60 second is equal to 1 minute, and 13 second are stay the same, and this 1 minute is moved into the column of the minute. Okay, and how many seconds are here? Here only a 30 seconds are left. It means 45 minutes plus 45 second plus 28 second means 73 seconds are here, and this 73 seconds are break up into 60 second and 30 second. So 60 second is equal to 1 minute, so we put this one into the 1 minutes column, and here is 30 seconds are left, so the answer is become 13 second. And 1 minute, this 1 minute is added into the minutes columns. Now we added 1 minute plus 5 minutes plus 8 minutes. Now add these, 1 plus 5 plus 8 is equal to 14 minutes. The answer is become 14 minutes and 13 second. Here is a conversion of the second into the minutes. Keep in your mind this step whenever your value is become greater than or equal to 60. So you have to convert these into the minutes. Now see the exercise 11.2, page number 107. The question is, do the addition of hours and minutes. Now look at here. How many minutes are here? 25 minutes plus 15 minutes, and hours are 5 and 8 hours. We start our addition from the minutes. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10, 0, carry 1. Now carry 1 plus 2 is 3 and 1 4, means 40 minutes. It is easy to see here, it is less than 60. So it is stay here same, there is no conversion of hour. Now add 5 hour plus 8 hour is equal to 13 hours, means there is a no change, no conversion is comes because it is less than 60. 13 hour and 40 minutes. It is quite easy to add this type of the sum. Whenever the question is such type, next question, 30 second plus 45 second, 7 minutes and 9 second. Now do the addition. 0 plus 5 is 5, and 0 plus 1, see the solution, 0 plus 5 is 5, and 3 plus 4 is 3 plus 4 is 7. Here is a 7. It means whenever it see into the explanation, 30 second plus 45 second is equal to 75 second. It is showing greater than 60. So we break up these second into minutes and second. How many 60s are here in 75? Here is a 60 second plus 15 second. This 60 second convert into the minute. 60 second is equal to 1 minute plus 15 second. So we have here left only how many? 15 second, and 1 minute is shifted into the minute column. Okay, now see here, 15 second means how many seconds are here? 15 second. Now we add the minutes. 7 minutes plus 9 minutes plus this 1 minute which is shifted into the minute column plus 1 minute is equal to 17 minutes. Now exercise B. First write in vertical form, then add. It means the question is given us into the horizontal form. The values are into the horizontal form, but write into the vertical form. Whenever we write the sum from up to down, it is called vertical form, and the fundamental operation is addition. Now first we start our addition values. The values are given, the unit is hour and minutes into the first value. Second value is also show hour and minutes. So short form of the hour is H and short form of the minute is MIN. Now according this units we put our values into the first one, 7 hour. We write here into the under the heading of the 7 hour. Now move to the minutes, 40 minutes we write here, 40 minutes. Now move to the next value, 4 hour, we write here 4, and 15 minutes we write here into the column of the 15. Now the sign is addition, so we put here the sign of addition. Now we develop our sum into the vertical form. Now start our addition. First we start our addition of the minutes. 0 plus 5 is 5. 4 plus 1 is 1. Means how many minutes? 55 minutes. There is no need of conversion to the hour because it is less than 60. Now move to the hour side. 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. Means 11 hour 55 minutes. There is a quite easy. There is no conversion of the minute into the hour. Now move to the next question. Question number 5. Look at here. 8 hour 40 minutes plus 11 hour 20 minutes plus you have one more value 2 hour and 15 minutes. Now look at here, all the values are given into the same units, hour, minutes, hours and minutes. It means into the solution, whenever we develop the sum into the vertical form, we write here the short form of the hour is H and short form of the minute is MIN. Under these units we put our values. From the value number 1, 8 hour 40 minutes. Second one, 11 hour 20 minutes. Third one, 2 hour 15 minutes. Now start our addition from the minutes. First we add. See the explanation. First we add the 40 minutes plus 20 minutes plus 15 minutes is equal to 75 minutes, and this 75 is greater than 60. So we break up this 75 into 60 minutes plus 15 minutes, and this 60 minutes is converted into 1 hour plus 15 minutes. Means whenever we added 40 minutes, 20 minutes, 15 minutes, means into the minutes column our value is become only the 15 minutes, and 60 minutes is converted into 1 hour. Means whenever we add these values, here is become a 75 and we convert this 75 into hour and minutes. How many minutes are left? Only 15 minutes are left, and 1 minute 60 minutes is shifted into the hour column. Now move to the next. See again the explanation. Then we add 1 hour which is shifted from the minutes plus 8 hour plus 11 hour plus 2 hour is equal to 22 hour. So we can say here is a 1 hour is become from the minutes column. 1 plus 8 plus 11 plus 2 is equal to 22 hours. Now see here the subtraction, examples of the subtraction. The question is subtract hour and minutes. The values are 9 hour 15 minutes 2 hours and 75 minutes. Move to the solution. 0 minus 5 is not possible, so we get the borrow from the 5. Here is become a 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. Here is remain 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. It means it is, how many minutes are here? 15 minutes. Now move to the hour side. 9 minus 2 is 7. Means 7 hours and 15 minutes. Now see the next example of the subtraction. The values are 5 minutes and 40 seconds. 5 minutes and 40 seconds subtract from 8 minutes and 15 seconds, means 8 minutes and 15 seconds are subtracted 5 minutes and 40 seconds. See the solution. Here is a need of the conversion because here is not possible 15 second minus 40 second. So it is impossible. So we get the borrow from the minutes column. And how many seconds in 1 minute means 60 seconds. So we added 15 plus 60 is equal to 75 seconds. Now it is quite easy. 75 minus 40 is equal to 35, and here is remain how many minutes? 7 minutes, because we get borrow from the 1 minute from the, we move 1 minute from the second column. So here is instead of 8, how many minutes are left? 7 minutes. Now 7 minus 5 is 2. See again, here is not possible to subtract 15 minus 4. So we get 1 minute from the second. So 1 minute having how many seconds? 60 seconds. 16 plus 15 is equal to 75 seconds. Now it is quite easy. 75 minus 40 is equal to 35, or here is remain 7 minutes. 7 minus 5 is equal to 20. Now move to the exercise 11.3, page number 109, subtraction of the hours and minute. Now look at here, we start our subtraction from minute sides. 5 minus 5, 0, 4 minus 1, 3. Now move to the hour column. 4 minus 1 is 3. Now look at here, the answer is become 30 minutes, and 30 minutes are less than 60, or here is a 45 minutes minus 50 minutes is quite easy to subtract this one. There is a no need of the change. Now move to the next one question. Now look at here, 35 minutes minus 40 minutes and 8 hours minus 6. Now start our work subtraction from the minutes sides. Now 35 is less than 40, so it is not possible to subtract this one. Now we get the borrow, move to the hour column and get the borrow from the 1 hour, or 1 hour having how many minutes? 60 minutes. So we added 35 minutes plus 60 minutes. 35 minutes plus 60 minutes is equal to, look at here, 95. Okay, it is equal to 95. Now this is become, now the value of that place of the 35 is become 95. Now it is quite easy to subtract 95 minutes minus 40 minutes. 95 minutes, here become a 95 minutes, subtract 40 minutes, means subtract 40 minutes is equal to 55 minutes. Look at here, here is a 55 minutes. Now move to the hour hand. Here instead of 8, here is remain how many hour? 7 hour. 7 minus 6 is 7 hour minus 6 hour is equal to 1 hour. So here, look at here, instead of 8, here is a 7 hour. 7 minus 6 hour is equal to 1 hour. Now move exercise B. First write in vertical form, then subtract. Now question, see the question. 1 hour 45 minutes subtract 3 hour 20 minutes. 4 hour 45 minutes subtract 3 hour and 20 minutes. Let's start our subtraction from the minute side. It's quite easy. 5 minus 0 is 5. 4 minus 2 is 2. It means 25 minutes are become here. Now subtract the hour. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. It is quite easy. There is no change. Now move to here. 6 hour 15 minutes minus 3 hour 20 minutes. See the solution. According to the questions, write the sum in vertical form. So we write here first of all the unit, hour and minutes, hour and minutes. Now according to the hour, we put here 6 hour and 15 minutes, my 3 hour and 20 minutes. Now start our work from the minute side. 15 minutes minus 20 minutes. Now see here again the same problem is become. So how it is possible? 15 minus 20? No, there is no possibility. So we get the borrow from the hour hand, and 1 hour having 60 minutes. So we get here the 60 minutes and added this 60 minutes into 15 minutes. 16 minutes plus 15 minutes. 15 minutes cannot be subtracted from the 20 minutes. Now change this hour in 5 hour and make 60. Okay. Now move here. 60 minutes is equal to 15 minutes plus 60 minutes is equal to 75 minutes. Means 60 minutes plus 15 minutes is equal to 75 minutes. Now it is quite easy to subtract 75. Subtract the 20 is equal to 55. 75 minutes minus 20 minutes is equal to 55 minutes. Now we subtract the hour. Now look at here, instead of 6, here is how many hours are left? 50 hours are left. Now 5 hour minus 3 hour is equal to 20 minutes. Now home task. Exercise number 11.4. From each part do only question 1, 2 and 3 in copy. See here again. Exercise number 11.1. From each part. Here is a different parts are here into the question. From each part do only question 1, 2, 3. 3 questions in copy. Now move to the next exercise 11.2 and 11.3. Do in book. Only these exercises work done in your book. Now move to the next page number 108 and 109. Exercise B. Do only question 1, 2, 3 in copy. Now have a nice day. Inshallah we will continue next lesson.